There's a big game coming up. That means that you need some big time recipes. And in the South, pimento cheese, slider cheeseburgers, all that goes together. Welcome to Big Game Week. I'm making delicious Southern pimento cheese sliders today. I'm gonna let you in on, this is how I make burgers at my house that people really enjoy. And it's not really a whole lot to it. It's only one thing that I do different. I put raw onions in my hamburger. So I'm gonna dice these up. I don't want them too big. I don't want them too small. It's just like everything we do around here. It only has to be perfect. So any way that you wanna dice your onion, I kind of cut mine a little bit smaller because I don't want huge chunks. Thin little slice right here. This raw burger cooks down, the raw onion cooking down into your burger will put just this little bit of onion, adds so much flavor. And I've been doing it this way for a long time, and I have fed a lot of people that really love my cheeseburgers. So we're gonna go fresh onion. Now this is a 92 lean, 8% fat. That's fine. I usually do 80-20. It depends on what you're cooking and what kind of recipes that you have going. There's nothing wrong with us starting off the new year with a little bit lighter ground beef. And I'm gonna just, most of my proteins, y'all, only get salt and pepper with our fresh onions. And you wanna be careful here. You do not wanna overwork this. So I don't wanna, it can get too mushy. I don't wanna break it down too much. Just give it a good mixing. Make sure that we get our onions on the inside. Now, depends on what kind of kids you got, what kind of appetite you got, where you live, or what you call a slider. I'm gonna make 4 of these today. This is, my sliders that looks suspiciously close to a regular cheeseburger.
I was gonna go, Jamie, they need to fit on that bun.
Yeah, well, there's nothing wrong with having more meat than bun. So I'm gonna pat these out a little bit flatter in the center. I'm not gonna need any, let me see. I'm not gonna need any oil down on this pan because this will produce its own. I should have started with a bigger pan or smaller burgers. This is number 2. If you got a grill outside, I know some places of the country are so freezing cold right now that you can't go outside. So any way you wanna do it, if you cook it inside, make sure you've got a pan that you trust. Turn your exhaust fan on. If you got a grill outside, you can put them in your air fryer. You can also do them in the oven if you'd like. Any way you want to do them. I've started doing my burgers on the smoker. Smokers are so easy to use, and I've really fallen in love with them. So right now, we've got our burgers going. We're gonna put our sliders together when we come back. Do y'all know my brother's pimento cheese recipe? You should. We'll talk about that when we get back. All right, we're back and we're done, which is a good thing. Big game starts soon. Our burgers are done. Didn't take as long to cook the lean ones, so it's probably medium plus here. Now, whatever y'all want to do with your buns, I always toast mine. I put them in a little skillet with a little bit of butter. I don't like them straight out of the package. If you want to, it's another thing that I used to do. As you build these, you could stick them back in the bag, the plastic bag that your bread comes in, twist it up and let them steam inside of that bag just to soften the bread up a little bit. You can make these any way you want. So, but for these 3, I'm gonna put these 2 up here because the star of the show is coming up. And then I'll fix this one like the way that I like to eat it, which is with a little bit of, I love butter lettuce. Put a tomato on here. I like a pickle on mine too. Next, we're gonna add the pimento cheese. We're not doing Bobby's pimento cheese in this video today, but I'll tell you what it is. It's very easy. You can take a shredded cheddar, and then his secret ingredient is cream cheese. So a shredded cheddar with cream cheese, and if you want to also use smoked Gouda, I love smoked Gouda in there as well. So pimento cheese, a couple of your favorite shredded cheeses, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, shredded onion. Makes a very good pimento cheese. And once you get your pimento cheese ready and your burgers are done, look how awesome this is. Pimento cheese sliders, y'all. Big game coming up in the next room. Whoa. This pimento cheese is also delicious on ham or turkey sandwiches. You can put it on any of your proteins, but it goes really well on a burger. And very pretty too. We're not building any rockets around here, y'all. We're just showing you a couple of different ways that you can enjoy some of the favorite recipes that you grew up with. My mouth is watered.
Beautiful foods you can make.
And listen to Mama over there. She wants a burger. Y'all ready?
Look at that bite you take.
Learn from the best.
We don't take Fritz's bite.
Delicious, y'all. Very good, very simple. Perfect menu for the big game. This is Good Food. I'm Jamie Deen. We'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.